Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had a few new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. We had 2 wide bracelet tutorials. We had a Paracord net bag tutorial for your dirty laundry or sports equipment. And we also had a pop quiz video. So if you want to see us try to guess some colors pretty badly, make sure to give that a watch. We had a new blog post come out since our last wrap-up. It analyzes what tools do you really need for paracord crafting. If you're looking to pick up some new tools over Black Friday or Cyber Monday, make sure to give that a read. Taking a look at our paracord community, well, actually the video game community, Counter-Strike Global Offensive just released a new operation where they included a paracord wrapped knife. It's been the buzz of the Counter-Strike world and a bit of the paracord world as well. Take a look at that. And now for what we wrapped. I wrapped a turkey in honor of Thanksgiving with some butcher cord, made a nice little turkey roll, stuffed it with stuffing. Very proud of it, so I took a lot of pictures. I hope you enjoy how it looks. I enjoyed how it tasted. And now for what we're going to wrap next time. A phone charger. This is the original phone charger from my phone that I got like 3 or 4 years ago. I have had it the whole time. I know, pretty impressive. But it's getting a little dirty, so I'm going to cover the cord in some paracord so it looks a little nicer. I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too, and we'll see you then. We had a paracord net bag tutorial as well as a paracord pop quiz video. So if you want to see us try to guess some colors, make sure to look at that. Look at that. Oh, make sure to look at it. I mean, it's not wrong. It's not wrong.
No, you're not wrong.
If you're looking to get some new tools, I couldn't say. I couldn't do that. Wish you all could have been there to enjoy it, but you couldn't because this is YouTube. Maybe one day in the future. I don't know.